Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you guys how to clean out the filter for the Nautilus CC Plus Dolphin. And this is basically a pool cleaner that you put in the pool, and it cleans it, cleans the ground, and kind of cleans the walls, scrubs the walls with this brush here. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean out the filter. Alright, so first things first, you want to take the pool cleaner out of the pool. And as you can see here, there's these little notches to put your finger in. So you pull that up on both sides and it pulls right out. And there's another one here on this side. So you have two of them, two compartments. And now we're seeing the filter cartridges here on the left and right. All right, so to take these out, it's pretty simple. You just grab a hold on here, kind of wiggle it around until it comes right out, just like that. And do that for the other one. Wiggle it around, comes right out. There we go. Those are the two cartridges, and I'm about to show you guys how to clean that up. I wanted to show you guys that inside. Sometimes you get some buildup of some sand, some dirt right in there. And you can take this out and clean it up some more if you want. Typically I don't do it, but if there's a lot, then I would. So just keep that in mind. So here we're gonna be taking apart the filters here on each side of this compartment. So there's two filters, one on each side. So to take that off, all you gotta do, this little guy, you just spin it clockwise. There's two of them on each one. And now these just fall right off on the edges here. There we go. And now you can see there's some dirt buildup here, and we'll be cleaning all this out real nicely here. All right, do it to the second one as well. So just pull that right off. Pretty simple. It's not too difficult to do this. And just kind of wiggle it around. As you can see, there's a bunch of goodies in here. We got some spiders, a bunch of sand, more spiders, some ants. So you definitely get a lot of dirt and buildup. Typically clean this out I want to say about every week, 1 to 2 weeks, depending how much I use the Dolphin and depending on the season. So right now we're not using the pool as much, so I don't clean it out as much. It's probably every couple weeks. Okay, so then what I do is I just hold it in one hand, and with the other hand I just spray it down with a hose, and most of it just comes right off. And I do that for both sides. Flip it over. Okay, so now same thing with the cartridge. Basically just clean all this gunk out, especially in between inside here. I like to spray inside this as well, just to make sure there's no debris inside. So just give it a good rinse, just all around it. So the filters have been cleaned, but I just wanted to mention, just be careful where you clean your filters. If you have really nice grass, you want to be careful not to kill the grass, because there's going to be chlorine residue, all that kind of coming from the filter. This is typically where I clean my filter. It kills the grass a little bit, but it's not too bad. But just wanted to point that out as a heads up. So all the filters are washed and the filter cartridges are clean. So I'm about to put all this back together and put it back into the Dolphin. Okay, so there's a few things to note when you're putting this back together. There's little clips here on the bottom. These clips basically go into these holes on each side of the cartridge. So something like this, you just drop them right in, make sure they fit in there, and you kind of push it in together, just like that. Okay, the other thing to note is this flap here. You want to make sure that it's not kind of compressed in like that. I think it might be okay, but just be sure to open this up and then do the same thing on this side. You got your clips, put them in on the bottom, and then it goes right in just like that. Easy. And then of course you dial these back in. So just kind of move them counterclockwise now, and it's supposed to make a clipping sound, just like that. There we go. And now we are officially clipped in, clean, and ready to go. And do it for the other one as well. All right, I wanted to say also, it's a good idea to change these out every once in a while. I haven't changed mine out yet. I've had this Dolphin for about a year. Half the time it was working half time, so it's not that bad. But I know these are recommended to swap out. I do have a few clips that chipped off here on the bottom, and that's another reason to get it swapped out. So I don't think they're too expensive. You can find them anywhere, but just to note, you do need to trade them out once in a while. Okay, now we're going to be putting it back into the Dolphin, and the only thing you need to know is the hole, match the hole up with the direction of where it is on the bottom. So in this case, it's on the right side. So we're gonna just slide that right in, push it in, give it a little wiggle, make sure it's all the way in there. And we're gonna do that for the same thing on this side. Match it up with the hole, which is on the left down. Then you just push it right in, just like that. A little wiggle, and there we go. Okay, so this is basically it. We clean the cartridges and just close that up. Make sure it's all nice and sturdy and it's clean. And now we're ready to throw it back into the pool to do its job. So we like this pool cleaner. It's really nice. I like the fact that it's on a cable. You don't have to use the pool suction tubes. So this is basically cleans the pool and keeps the dirt in here, and then you take it out and you clean it every once in a while. I'm gonna make a more in-depth review on this product. It's really cool. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Be sure to subscribe below. I appreciate you guys watching. If there's anything else you guys would like to see with this model or anything else specifically regarding pool maintenance, let me know in the comments. All right guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.